Hey guys, are you feeling tired, gaining weight, losing your edge, or noticing changes in your mood, sleep, or sex drive? It might not just be aging, it could be your hormones. And the good news is you can do something about it. Hi, I'm Dr. Myra Reed, a functional internal medicine specialist with over 30 years of experience. I help men and women reverse fatigue, brain fog, hormone imbalances using a root cause and science-backed approach. June is Men's Health Month. So today we're diving into the truth about men's hormones, why they crash, how to check them properly, and what you can do to get your energy, strength, and confidence back. Let's start with 5 hormones that have the biggest impact on men's vitality. Testosterone. This is your main male hormone. It affects your muscle mass, your strength, your libido, your motivation, and even your memory and mood. DHEA, often overlooked, but it's your anti-aging hormone. It helps with resilience, mood, and immunity. Cortisol, your stress hormone. Too much, and it can block testosterone and cause belly fat, fatigue, and sleep issues. Your thyroid, if you're cold, sluggish, or foggy, it may not be just testosterone, it could be your thyroid. Insulin. When insulin is high, your body stores fat and blocks your hormones from doing their job. These hormones are all connected. When one goes off, it can throw the others out of balance. So why does this happen? It's not just age. Chronic stress, poor sleep, environmental toxins, processed foods and sugar that are inflammatory to your body, lack of strength training, not building your muscle for longevity. All of these factors interfere with hormone production, detox, and balance. Now here's something most guys don't hear about: toxins. Endocrine disruptors from plastics, pesticides, mold, and personal care products that block hormone function. Your liver is responsible for detoxing these chemicals. If it's sluggish, your hormones will stay imbalanced no matter how many supplements or shots you take. That's why I have checked a lab that's called GGT, gamma glutamyl transferase. It's a simple blood test that tells me if your liver is struggling with toxins. Think of it like insulin resistance, but for your detox system. A GGT over 25 can mean your body is under chronic stress, even if it's your basic liver enzymes look fine. So what can you do? Here's where functional medicine shines. Test, don't guess. Get a full hormone panel, total and free testosterone, DHEA, sex hormone binding globulin, estradiol, fasting insulin, and the GGT. Support your detox pathways with glutathione that our liver makes. Eat cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. We want to be sweating, pooping, peeing. So clean filtered water, more fiber in our diet from vegetables, and less toxins in our body like alcohol. You want to build that muscle. You want to be lifting weights. This is proven to increase testosterone naturally. Walk daily to reduce stress and get some aerobic exercise, which helps blood flow to the vital organs and supports longevity. Make sure that you move often, since sitting is very detrimental to your health. Fix your sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours to balance your cortisol. Get a screening home test for apnea, like a home sleep study, because apnea means your vital oxygen is being compromised, and low oxygen at night leads to increased heart attacks, strokes, dementia, hypertension, atrial fibrillation, fatigue, weight gain, and as well as depression, anxiety, and sexual dysfunction. We now know that the targeted supplements and hormone therapy only won't work once we're cleared of these roadblocks. You can't build a house on a cracked foundation. Hormone therapy only works well when your body is ready. If this sounds like you, don't wait. I created a free men's hormone health quiz that you can take today and see how your symptoms line up. Click the link below to take the quiz. Check out my website and schedule a call to see how we can work with you to improve your life and your health. If you're ready to feel better, stronger, and sharper, this is your first step. I'm Dr. Myra Reed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with any male in your life who needs to hear it. Your hormones matter more than you think, and you deserve to feel amazing at every age.